Hi guys, thanks for joining us for another unboxing, or should I say unbagging this time around. So this is the HB-18NEO handbag that's compatible with the 500 Neo Pro I mentioned in the Neo Pro video. So if you're wondering what the handbag looks like, this is simply it. There's not a lot to it, to be honest with you. It's very similar to the cone type camera. All it's really got in the back of it, as far as connections, is the quick release. So we'll just pull out the inserts that come included with it. And essentially all you've got is that same quick release connection with the same little cutout on the bottom of it. So you can literally put your 500 Neo Pro in here, have it paired to your PV Cam app, turn on, and away you go. A very nice, discreet, easy monitoring bag. Its lens is actually hidden on this end, and it's just, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, we'll have to cut it, but you've got it just next to the zipper there, so very, very discreet. It's nearly invisible. And perfect if you needed to do some up close and personal monitoring of a subject. So these are available now. You can jump on our website and order them. Just make sure you order them with a 500 Neo Pro, because otherwise, as a standalone unit, they will not function. They need the Neo Pro to function, just as the cone camera does and just as the necktie does. Thanks for joining us, guys. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go plug it into a Neo Pro, and I'm going to show you some footage of what you can get out of it. So join us on the next video.